Imagine discovering websites so powerful they can save you hours of work, improve your content, and make your digital life much easier. In today's video, I'll show you some of the best secret websites every content creator, student, freelancer, and tech lover should know about. From free stock videos to AI PDF assistants, mockup generators, audio tools, and hidden AI websites, you'll definitely want to bookmark these. And trust me, the bonus website at the end is something many creators still don't know about. Let's get started. First is IMG2Go, a powerful online image editing website. This tool helps you resize, compress, crop, convert, sharpen, blur, and even watermark your images without installing any software. It's like having a mini Photoshop directly in your browser. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, blog images, and social media content. Quick tutorial. Simply open the website, upload your image, choose the tool you need, like resize or compress. For the sake of this short tutorial, let's resize. Click on Resize Image. Click Upload your file to upload your image. Apply your settings. Click Resize Now. Then click Download. Image size before resize. And image size after resize. Fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Next, Videvo, one of the best websites for free stock videos and sound effects. If you create YouTube videos, reels, or shorts, this website can save you from searching endlessly for copyright-free content. It offers free videos, motion graphics, background music, and sound effects. This is a goldmine for content creators. Quick tutorial. Visit the website, type your keyword like technology or business, choose your preferred video, preview it, and click download. Remember to mention the author. More so, always check the license before using. Next, Whimsical. Now let's talk about Whimsical. This website helps you create mind maps, flowcharts, wireframes, and visual planning boards. It's perfect for organizing content ideas, planning projects, and even scripting your YouTube videos. Very clean and professional. Quick tutorial. Open the site, sign up for free. Click New Board, then choose Flowchart or Mind Map. In this video, I will like to create with the AI. Click on the star icon at the bottom. Enter your prompt. For this short tutorial, let me paste this prompt I already created, a visual content planning board for your YouTube videos. Click Create, and the AI will generate everything instantly. And finally, you can share the link or download it. Very useful for productivity. Next is Placeit. This website helps you create professional mockups, logos, branding materials, and product previews without Photoshop. Perfect for people selling online or creators building a personal brand. You can create phone mockups, t-shirt designs, and logo previews easily. Quick tutorial. Visit the site, choose mockups or logos, upload your design, or enter your text. Preview instantly. Then download your final result. But before you can download any design, you'll need to sign up and subscribe. Subscription fee starts from $7.47. Professional results in minutes. Next, favicon.io. Here's a small but powerful one, favicon.io. This website creates favicons, which are the small icons you see on websites and browser tabs. Very useful if you own a blog, portfolio, or business website. It makes your brand look more professional. Quick tutorial. Open the site, choose text, image, or emoji favicon, customize your design, download, and extract all files. Simple and very useful. Next is AudioTrimmer. This website helps you cut, trim, and edit audio files directly in your browser. Perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, music clips, and ringtone creation. No software needed. Quick tutorial. Visit the site, upload your audio file, select the part you want to keep, click crop, then download your trimmed audio. Watch. Very quick and easy. Next, online audio converter. Another useful one is online audio converter. This tool converts audio files into different formats like MP3, WAV, M4A, FLAC, and more. Very useful when one platform doesn't support your file type. A real-time saver. Quick tutorial. Open the website, upload your audio file, choose the output format, adjust quality if needed, then click convert and download. Done in seconds. AI Top Tools. Now this one is like a hidden treasure. AI Top Tools. Instead of searching everywhere for useful AI tools, this website organizes hundreds of them in one place. From writing tools to video tools, design tools, and productivity apps, it's all there. Perfect for discovering fresh content ideas. Quick tutorial. Visit the site, browse categories like writing, image, or video AI. Click any tool you like, and explore new platforms instantly. Great for finding viral content ideas. Bonus, Pixian.ai. And now the bonus website, Pixian.ai. This is a powerful AI background remover that works fast and gives surprisingly clean results. Perfect for thumbnails, product images, profile pictures, and online stores. Many people still don't know about this hidden gem. Quick tutorial. Go to the website, upload your image, let the AI process it automatically, preview the result, and download your transparent background image. Simple magic. The links of the feature websites are in the description. Another bonus, ChatPDF. This one is powerful. Imagine uploading a PDF and asking AI questions from that document instead of reading the whole file. Yes, it works like ChatGPT for PDFs. Perfect for students, researchers, and professionals. Quick tutorial. Go to the website. Upload your PDF file. Wait for it to process. Then ask questions like, summarize this, or what is the main point? The AI gives instant answers. This one is seriously impressive. If you found these websites useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech content. Also comment below, which website shocked you the most? Was it Placeit or the bonus Pixian AI? And trust me, part 2 has even crazier websites coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.